Hartiens. I am a personal injury attorney here at our downtown Jacksonville office at Campione Law. I moved to Jacksonville in 2019. I graduated from West Virginia University and came down here to attend Florida Coastal School of Law. While I was there, I was the editor-in-chief of the Florida Coastal Law Review. After Florida Coastal, I transferred to a school out in Kansas, of all places, called Washburn University School of Law. And there I completed my law school education, took the Florida bar, and then began practicing law here in Jacksonville. For going into personal injury and the practice of law in general, my biggest factor that propelled me was essentially the idea that I want to be able to provide help and stability in people's lives. With personal injury, people are going through most arguably the worst time in their life. And so for me, to be able to step in, help give guidance, support, emotional, psychological, to be able to give that stability back to their life is extremely rewarding. It helps me feel like I'm doing a real difference in my community, and ultimately it's making someone's life tenfold better. My primary concentration of law focuses on plaintiff's personal injury, which essentially stems down to, if you've been hurt, I can help. To further define personal injury, these things can stem from auto accidents with cars, trucks, whatever vehicles are on the road. It can also be slip and falls, trip and falls. It can be wrongful death, medical malpractice, shootings, you name it. It can be a wide range of things, but ultimately it's whatever has happened to you that we can assist with. A case that stands out to me as far as making the most difference in someone's life was a matter that I handled between last year and this year. It was involving a death of a father. This father, was the backbone of the family, and so with their loss of him providing support, both financially, emotionally, etc., this was a huge hole in that family's life. And so through our firm, we are able to provide them with compensation to be able to move forward with the rest of their life, to be set up financially, as well as enacting change in what the perpetrators had done to them to then allow this to not happen again to another family. And so that's definitely what I'm most proud of working at Campione. For us, it's important to help these people get through this challenging time to then get them the outcome that they deserve. If you have dealt with loss, if you've been injured, if you have been wronged in some way that was not your fault and want to get legal help with this matter, feel free to call us, Campione Law, here in Jacksonville, Florida, and we will fight for you.